Hi friends, I'm going to show a journey of a middle-aged lady who presented with multiple swellings which were painful in her right dominant hand. The swellings were present in the thumb and her little finger, and that was cosmetically not acceptable. Functionally it was limiting her movements and it was causing severe disability as it was her right hand. We went on to get MRI done, which revealed they were benign tumors. We got them removed using a cosmetic incision, and she underwent rigorous physiotherapy to regain her functional movements, which were disabled since many years now. Our physiotherapy team helped her regain her strength and flexibility, and within few weeks she was able to do all the movements which she was unable to do since many years. This story represents that timely treatment, timely diagnosis, and timely rehab can enable us to get back to normal life. Thank you.